guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to chat someone on Gmail app. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Gmail app and we're going to chat someone using this Gmail app. And if we want to chat someone, we can simply click on this chat option right here. But if this option or this button hasn't appeared on your Gmail, you can activate it by clicking on this button. Then wait guys, okay, then you have to scroll your screen until you find settings option. Just tap on settings option and then choose the account that you want to use for chatting. Just click on the account and then you have to scroll down until you find chat features, and right here guys, make sure that you have activated this chat features. All right, and we can go back to our reviews menu. All right, and we can start chatting by clicking on this button. Then you can click on new chat right here. Then you can type person or space right here. For example, I'm going to chat this account, so just click on the account. Then you can start your chat right here. Alright guys, that's how we can chat on Gmail app. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.